and I'm also known as Pretty Handy Girl online. I'm a licensed general contractor and I'm a DIY expert and pretty much all around DIYer. As far back as I can remember, I've always had a hammer in my hands. Growing up, my parents realized that they were outgrowing their house, so they cut off the roof and they added a second floor. And all while this was going on, they involved us. When my husband and I moved into our first house, we didn't have a lot of money, so I started making over furniture by either painting it or altering it, but I've always wanted to flip houses. I found I had a passion for making ugly houses beautiful again, and I knew that the only way I could do that was to earn my general contractor's license. 3 years later, and I actually earned that license, and now I flip houses in Raleigh, North Carolina. I have a multifaceted role when it comes to flipping houses because I buy them, I handle the general contracting, I design all the interiors myself, and then I perform a lot of the renovation work. I just finished a house in downtown Raleigh that's a historic house that was built in 1900. Right now I'm constantly looking for more old houses to flip. When I started the blog, I really wanted to empower people, especially women. The number of people I would hear say, "Oh, I'm waiting for my husband to get home so I can hang the curtain rods." I just wanted to reach through the screen and say, you can do this. You don't have to wait for your husband. Some of my followers are women who are widows. They're in domestic violence situations. I had one of my followers contact me and she told me that her husband had taken all of her belongings and locked them in a shed. She found my tutorial on how to remove strip screws and she was able to get the hinges off the shed and reclaim all of her things. I just want to say, you go girl! It makes me so happy to know that I'm making a difference in someone's life. If there was some way that I could be able to reach out to people, help them learn how to fix up and maintain their homes, or help them learn how to be able to stay in their homes. If there was a way I could tell people, hey, I see this outdated house, let's go ahead and transform it. Let's make it a space that's a reflection of you, somewhere that you can't wait to come home to, and it's a safe haven for you. If I can get out there and empower someone to pick up a tool, especially if it's a woman, if I can give them the courage to go ahead and accomplish a small project, it's amazing how that one little spark of accomplishment can really give a person a backbone. It gives them the ability to believe in themselves, and it knocks down those internal messages telling us that we can't do something, or for a woman who believes that, oh, that's a man's job, so I really can't do that. I want to break it down so there's no more stereotypes. My dream is for a future when a woman can walk into a hardware store and it's not assumed that she doesn't know what she's doing. And then also, where did it go? Where'd my beadboard go? Where'd my beadboard go? It was just here. Oh my gosh. Duh. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.